Welcome to our channel.
Certainly, flamingos are fascinating birds known for their vibrant pink feathers and unique behaviors. Let's explore the reasons behind their one-legged stance, their habitat, and lifespan. Why do flamingos stand on one leg? Muscle fatigue and balance. One theory suggests that standing on one leg helps reduce muscle fatigue. Flamingos can move more quickly when threatened by predators if they stand on one leg. This position allows their joints to lock in a stable position without muscle exertion, giving them better balance than when standing on two legs. Body temperature regulation. Flamingos lose heat through their legs and feet. By holding one leg closer to their body, they can conserve heat. Even though they inhabit warm tropical climates, spending most of their time in water can lower their body temperature, making heat conservation essential. 13. Brain hemisphere activity. Like whales and dolphins, flamingos may be able to turn off half their brains when they sleep. Standing on one leg is a natural reflex that helps them maintain balance and prevents falling over one. Habitat and distribution. Flamingos are typically found in warmer tropical regions, including Africa, South America, and the Caribbean. They inhabit various environments, from salty and alkaline lakes to coastal lagoons and mudflats. Some species even thrive in cooler temperate regions. Lifespan. Flamingos can live up to 20 to 30 years in the wild, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Their lifespan is influenced by factors such as food availability, habitat quality, and protection from predators. In summary, flamingos' one-legged stance remains a fascinating mystery, with multiple theories but no definitive answer. Whether it's for muscle efficiency, heat conservation, or maintaining balance during sleep, these elegant birds continue to captivate our curiosity. Flamingos are water birds distinguished by their attractive pink colors and long, slender legs. There are 6 species of flamingos, and they live in different regions around the world. 1. Little Chilean flamingo. It is found in abundance in South America between Chile and Peru. It lives in warm and tropical regions and inhabits alkaline and muddy lakes. It is distinguished by its pink cap that covers the ankle joints and its ability to quickly obtain food. 2. Little flamingos. It is found in Africa, some parts of India, and the continent of Asia. It has long legs and neck, a red-arched beak, and light pink feathers. 3. The big flamingo. It lives in Africa, Asia, and southern Europe. It has pinkish-white plumage with a dark to light red color covering the body. It has a strangely shaped head, always curved neck, and yellow eyes. For American flamingo, it lives in the Caribbean islands and various regions on many continents. It is considered one of the largest flamingo families. It communicates with the herd by sound and feeds on small invertebrates from lakes. 5. Indian flamingo. He lives in South America. It has wings that can fly, and it needs to run a long distance before it begins to fly. 6. Flamingo bonajanes. He lives in South America. It is distinguished by its pink cap that covers the ankle joints and its ability to quickly obtain food. These birds live in colonies and are social, and are considered long-lived birds that may live for a period of up to 40 years. Flamingo. It is found in abundance in South America between Chile and Peru. It lives in warm and tropical regions and inhabits alkaline and muddy lakes. It is distinguished by its pink cap that covers its ankle joints and its ability to quickly obtain food. Chilean flamingo. Little flamingo. It is found in Africa, some parts of India, and Asia. It has long legs and neck, a red-arched bill, and light pink feathers. Little flamingo. Big flamingo. It lives in Africa, Asia, and southern Europe. It has pinkish-white plumage with a dark to light red color covering the body. It has an oddly shaped head, a perpetually curved neck, and yellow eyes. Big flamingo. American flamingo. It lives on the Caribbean islands and various regions on many continents. It is considered one of the largest flamingo families. It communicates with the herd by sound and feeds on small invertebrates from lakes. American flamingo. Indian flamingo lives in South America. It has wings that can fly, and it needs to run a long distance before it begins to fly. Indian flamingo. Albona flamingo. James lives in South America. Features a hat. Flamingos are named after the word flamingo, which comes from the Old Spanish flamenco, which means flame or fire. This name refers to the color of the feathers of these birds, which tends to be pink or red, resembling the color of flame. In English, it is called flamingo, which is derived from the same Spanish word. Flamingos live in swamps and alkaline lakes, and feed on algae and aquatic invertebrates. The pink color of their feathers is due to potassium, a natural pigment found in the food they eat. These birds are considered among the most beautiful and exciting birds, and they are an amazing sight when they gather in large flocks on the banks of lakes and swamps. The flamingo is considered a symbol of elegance and femininity in the bird world. Flamingo. The flamingo is considered a beautiful water bird, distinguished by its pink colors and the length of its slender legs. If you want to know how a flamingo raises its young, let's take a look at some interesting information about this wonderful bird: reproduction and nest. Flamingos build mound-like nests along waterways. The female lays only one egg per clutch. The parents take turns sitting on the egg to keep it warm. Nutrition. The flamingo feeds on the red milk of its parents, which is rich in proteins and fats. The flamingo changes color after eating, as its feathers easily turn pale pink or white. The behavior. The young leave the nest after about 5 days to join other little flamingos in small groups. Parents recognize their young by their voices. Types. There are several types of flamingos, such as the little flamingo, the great flamingo, the Chilean flamingo, the Phoenicopterus, and the American flamingo. Additional information. Flamingos live in colonies containing thousands of birds. It uses its curved beak to scoop algae into its mouth when its head is underwater. The flamingo is a stunning bird that lives in aquatic environments and is distinguished by its social behavior and beautiful pink feathers.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.